Celebrating the 2025 International Year of Quantum, it's my pleasure to introduce Professor Yanne Chembo. He's a delegate for the International Year of Quantum, coordinating a global celebration and public outreach campaign as we celebrate 100 years of quantum globally in the year 2025. He's a professor at the University of Maryland's Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering, with a joint appointment in the Institutes for Research in Electronics and Applied Physics. He also served as a research director at the French National Center for Scientific Research. He received his PhD degree in photonics from the University of Balearic Islands in Spain, and a PhD in nonlinear dynamics from the University of Yaoundé in Cameroon. Please welcome Dr. Chembo.
Thank you very much for the very kind introduction. Good morning, everyone. So my name is Yanne Chembo. I'm from the University of Maryland. And today we are going to talk about the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology. So, of course, you know that next year we are going to celebrate the centennial of quantum mechanics. And I know that I'm preaching to the choir here. We are all aware of the benefits that quantum science and technology has provided to human civilization, from medicine, technology, the laser, the transistor, etc. But one of the main questions that people might have is, why do we need to celebrate quantum science and technology? I guess that most of you drive in the morning to work, and for some of you, you listen to the radio, and very often the host says, hey, today is the International Day of this or the International Day of that. These international days are very important to raise awareness on very important topics. For example, you have the International Day for Cancer, International Day for Water, International Day for Refugees. Yesterday, for example, was the International Day for Prevention of Suicide. So these topics are very, very important topics, and these international days are very useful to raise awareness and make the general public aware of these things. But sometimes also you have international days still for even more important topics. Like, for example, you have the International Raspberry Cake Day, for those who like raspberry cake. You have a Go Barefoot Day, so if you like to walk barefoot, you have a day to celebrate. There is another day, the International Running Barefoot Day. So if you like to walk barefoot, you have a day to celebrate. If you like to run barefoot, you have a day to celebrate. So you get the point. There are international days for pretty much everything under the sun. But only when a topic is of the highest importance do you get an international year. And when you have an international year, generally, they are proclaimed by the United Nations. I was honored to be part of the delegation of 5 people who, on the behalf of our community, presented and defended this project at the level of the United Nations. So generally, this is a multi-year long process, so led at the diplomatic level. But I was very pleased to see when we advocated for this year at the UN level that there was very strong support. Absolutely all the delegations say the very same thing. Generally, we are against the proliferation of international years, for the very simple reason that when everything is spatial, nothing is spatial. We are against the proliferation of international years, but we are absolutely in favor of the International Year of Quantum. This is something that is very important. We do think that this is an initiative that we want to support. So we were very pleased to have that feedback because, once again, they just quash most of the initiatives that come at their level, but the support for this initiative of the International Year of Quantum was very, very strong. And as far as I could see, it was actually unanimous. So the point for this international year is to have a year-long global public outreach celebration campaign at all levels. So that's very important to understand. We would like to reach the general public, industry, policymakers, all age brackets. This is something that is extremely important, and that's the point of international years. And there's a twofold objective. The first one, of course, is to raise awareness with regards to the objectives of the year, so making sure that people understand exactly what quantum science and technology is, what are the benefits, and to promote quantum education and research at all levels. So our objective is to organize to have at least 10,000 quantum-themed events throughout the year 2025. So this might seem to be ambitious, but in the previous experience, I was fortunate to be part of a similar initiative 10 years ago. It was the International Year of Light. It was in 2015, same process was proclaimed by the UN. There were 13,000 events that had been organized throughout the year 2015, 13,000, touching more than 100 million people in more than 100 countries. So here, with the help of everybody of the community, with your help, what we hope is that we are going to do even better with this IYQ, and that we could get to 15,000, and why not? Maybe 20,000 quantum-themed events in the year 2025. So these initiatives, as I've already emphasized, are led at the level of United Nations. So those who actually advocate and make this happen are diplomats. And there are two countries that did a fantastic job in allowing us to have this IYQ, Mexico and Ghana. Ghana leading the charge at the level of United Nations, and Mexico at the level of UNESCO. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to play two short videos. The videos are going to be 2-3 minutes long, from the representative of Mexico and from the representative of Ghana. After the videos, I'm going to say a few words about how to make this IYQ a global success. So we're going to play the two videos, representative of Mexico, representative of Ghana, and after that, I'm going to wrap up with a few more slides. So if the technical team could please roll the video of the Mexico representative. Thank you.
Dear participants, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to express my gratitude to the organizers of the Quantum World Congress 2024 for their kind invitation to participate in this important event, to share on an initiative promoted by Mexico and Ghana with the valuable support of many countries from different regions of the world. I am referring to the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology 2025, proclaimed by the United Nations General Assembly last 7th of June, that underlines the enormous potential of quantum science and technology to address humanity's most pressing challenges. This international year will celebrate the 100th anniversary of the first developments in modern quantum mechanics, which has transformed our understanding of the nature at its most fundamental level, such as atom and subatomic particles. Quantum science has been at the heart of some of the most important technological developments of our time, and it will continue to play a key role in addressing humanity's most pressing challenges. However, it is important to strengthen awareness on the place quantum mechanics has in our daily lives, and to inspire and encourage young minds on its potential. This International Year of Quantum Science and Technology will provide a unique opportunity to raise awareness, especially among children and young people, about the role of quantum science and technology in our world, and to foster cooperation and concerted efforts. Everyone is invited to this great celebration and to make the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology 2025 a great success. I thank you, all of you, for your kind attention.
Thank you. And I would like now to have the video from the Ghana representative. So if the technical team could please roll the video for the Ghana representative. Thank you very much.
Ghana is proud to have led the United Nations resolution proclaiming 2025 as the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology, which was co-sponsored by over 70 other countries representing over 5 billion people. As a nation, we are committed to sustainable development and we recognize the transformative power of quantum technology in the areas such as healthcare, communication, and energy. Our country has a growing community of researchers and innovators working in the field of quantum science and technology, and we are committed to supporting their efforts and fostering a vibrant ecosystem for quantum research and development. The United Nations resolution recommends that the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology be observed through activities at all levels aimed at 1. Increasing public awareness of the importance of quantum science and its applications. 2. Enhancing international, multilateral, and interdisciplinary scientific cooperation among research institutions, researchers, and innovators in quantum science and technology. And 3. Ensuring a focus on the application of quantum science and technology for sustainable development. Today, despite its immense influence, many people are unaware of how central quantum science is to our understanding of the natural world. They are unaware of the degree to which this understanding has enabled the technology we use every day, nor of the promise that continued advances in quantum science and technology hold for creating a future of more sustainable development. Areas such as renewable energy, medicine, and drug design, financial inclusion, and secure communication have progressed and will continue to progress because of the advances in quantum science and technology. In celebrating the International Year of Quantum Science and Technology and the 100th year of quantum mechanics, we invite scientists, researchers, educators, and enthusiasts to join us in raising awareness and fostering research in this groundbreaking field. Whether you are a seasoned quantum physicist or just beginning to explore this fascinating topic, your contributions are invaluable. We encourage you to share your knowledge through research projects, educational materials, or public outreach initiatives. Together, we can inspire the next generation of quantum scientists and unlock the incredible potential of this technology. And we invite all people, especially those who are only being introduced to the word quantum for the first time, to use this occasion to ask the most basic questions about why this topic is so central to all our lives. Thank you.
So once again, we're very thankful for the leadership of Mexico and Ghana to make this a reality and for the support of all the delegation at the United Nations level for this International Year of Quantum. So a few slides to wrap up. It's very important once again to understand that when we talk about an international year, these years are proclaimed by the United Nations in furtherance of the Global Sustainable Development Objectives, for all the objectives that you can see there on the screen. But most importantly, how can you help celebrate IYQ? So the first thing that is very important to understand is that international years are decentralized. It means that you should not necessarily expect that there is a central body that tells you what to do. It is absolutely organic. You have to make it your own. You can organize an event and just make sure that this is an event that is acknowledged by IYQ by going to their website. Very important is here the website quantum2025.org. If you go to the website, you'll have all the information needed about how to contribute to the event. So international years are decentralized and belong to everyone. Make it your own. Create online and social media content and link it to IYQ. The more activities we can collectively facilitate, the more successful the year will be. And there will be a launching ceremony in Paris in 2025 on February 4th. So once again, I invite you to go to the website. you need to know that you are allowed and encouraged to use the IYQ logo for your activities, and all the activities that you submit are going to be used on the IYQ website and social media. And you can also sponsor the IYQ. You can go to the website and you will see exactly what is the procedure to be an official sponsor for the IYQ. And on this, I would like to thank you once again for your very kind attention. Thank you very much.